Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to Still Crypto, your home for crypto TA. I'm host Martin, and in this episode we are going to be talking about Bitcoin pullback. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and having suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links will be going out here shortly. How's it going, guys? Happy Thursday. Hope y'all doing great. Man, can you believe it? Thursday, another week gone, man. This year is flying. It just feels like the year is going by real fast, don't you think? Let me know in the chat if you think the year is going by too fast. Anyways, link to the Discord has gone out, pinned here at the top of the chat. Let's move over to the other screen where the magical little things happen. Let's see. Let's hope it's all good. Yo, it's Screenception. What? Look at the madness of the Screenception. Ain't it cool? It's like 1,000 little me's going and going forever and ever and ever. There we go. Not sure why that changed, but it was good before the stream started, so. Guys, let's get on to market cap and see what's happening. Oh, market cap pulling back, touching very close to that $2 trillion mark. Like we said, we could pull back to, and yeah, we went for a $2 trillion right yesterday. Look at that. Oh, today, market today. Went down to $2 trillion. Oh my goodness, we managed to hold. Good. Now we're trying to bounce a little bit. Not bad. 0.64% to the upside. Alts pumping a lot more in Bitcoin. Bitcoin about 0.34% to the upside. Alts 0.85. Again, market trying to rally. Might be going for a 20 moving average at 2.13 trillion. Then above, they were going to be aiming for $2.15 trillion. Those will be the targets that we have for the market cap, right? Again, on a movement back down, we're going to try to hold support at $2 trillion. And if we do break again, we're going to probably come to support at $1.94 trillion. Right? That is it. Neutral at 41.30. Not a lot going on in the market, right? Pulling back, almost losing what we gained 2 days ago or yesterday. Let's go. Check out Bitcoin. The Bitcoin sitting at $42,718. Oh my goodness. Yes, we bearish engulfed the previous day candle. Not good. Bearish engulfing usually bearish. I really wish we would have gone for that 20 moving average move. It would have been really, really good. Anyways, bearish engulfing usually is a reversal pattern that would tells us that we should be expecting at least action to downside. But being that we're seeing at this level and with the indecision that we're facing, I think we could take it as just having market indecision, right? So again, bearish engulfing, potential for a movement down still to come. If we do move down, 40,626 will be a target. Otherwise, we could be looking for another rally from here. And if we do rally, 20 moving average will be a target at $45,086, right? Last thing we have, bullish divergence strong, nothing bearish happening. Again, this could be a normal pullback that we're getting after trying to rally a bit. And neutral, sold at 37.92. Still got to get back out to that neutral zone, right? Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, oh no, bearishness. Look at it. Look at it. It's magnificent. Bearish divergence, potential fraction downside. Oh, starting to move down. We called this one out yesterday when we were here live. Look, oh no, magically. Hit divergence coming into play, pushing us lower. Low, high, negative, less negative momentum, and a low point to a higher point. Nothing bullish. Neutral 45, 48, 48.58. Not good where we're at, right? Carthago, what's up? Breaking below the 20 moving average. Oh no, what are we gonna do? We'll retest it. Very close to retesting it. That'll be the first thing. Getting above that 20 again clears us to run higher. Rejection of that 20 gets us to go back down to the $40,626 mark. Where does Bitcoin want to go? Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart, we had bearish divergence. Moved us down. Remember, we were here live. We managed to hold on to that 20. We had the hidden divergence. And like I said, we could try to go for another pop from here. Look at that. We went for a pop. Because what happened? We created once more bearish divergence strong. Right? And this is part of the reason that we're breaking down now. Right? This is the reason that we're breaking down. Strong bearish divergence. Hidden bullish came in. Tried to get us to rally. We felt to go higher in the previous high. And now we're dropping, right? So again, dropping below 20 massively here on this candle with strong bearish divergence, losing 2.15% on just one candle, 9 in the morning. Otherwise, just trailing down a bit. Nothing too crazy right now. Starting to bottom out here. And what we do know, right? The hidden divergence that we have here. Do we still have it here? Ooh, maybe not. I'm really gonna have to zoom in here, guys. Look, here we opened 42,580. Here we close 40,571. So we are slightly lower with more negative momentum and lower on the RSI. So In theory, we shouldn't have anything. If we just want to say we're going sideways, we also don't have anything. So nothing bullish right now. It just kind of sucks that we dropped so much. But anyways, looks as though we want to go out for that 20 again. We're bottoming out here, sorta, and we are creating some kind of bullish divergence. It's just very, very small. When I say small on the 1 hour time frame, it's like a 4 or 5 hours. Is not significant, but you know, it is trying to get us to bottom out a bit. Maybe try to go up to that 20 again and see how the cross here is going to play us, right? Again, we did cross here bullish. Again, right now we're crossing bearish. Don't like that, but on the daily we are crossing bullish, right? Even today we're starting to cross bullish. So hopefully this cross will materialize. What do I mean by that? It means that we're actually going to close on the green, and with that we could be looking for that action to the upside still to come, right? Where are we at with regards to the other supports and resistances? Remember, we were rejecting 43,123. Again, came back down, broke 40,196. Again, we did say we're going to come down to this level and see if we hold. If we didn't hold, remember what I said? We might be looking for a retest of 40,197. That's what we said yesterday. Now, we are not holding, but it looks as though we're trying to also not lose much. So again, retest of 40,196 will be in order. If we do retest that zone and get above it, yes, we could be back on track to going for a 20 moving average. Otherwise, man, is it downhill to 40,000, maybe even 39,291. Things are not peachy yet. We're still not out of the woods on crypto. Let's go. Check out Ethereum at $3,267. Man, what is happening with ETH? Well, not a lot. Last we had, moving down, nothing bullish happening. Sold at 38.97, so nothing really going on. Again, pushing back down, but not a lot. I mean, we did lose quite a bit on the percentage wise, 3.94%. But if you look at it, we're at 3,374. We're sitting at 3,267. So we just lost about $100. If you look at dollar value, it's not a lot. If you look at percentage value, it is a little bit more significant. 3% in a market, it is quite a bit, particularly in stocks. But crypto, yeah, it's regular everyday stuff. Bearish divergence, potential for action to downside. Oh no, look at that. Just like Bitcoin, the rest coming back down, hitting the 20 right now. We're trying to hold support of the 20. We closed at the 20 moving average, right? And the next candle opened us, but it opened below the 20. Not that we broke below it. It just so happened that the 20 is climbing and we were moving below it, right? So it's not really a break yet until we confirm being below that 20, right? That means this candle has to close on the red. Neutral at 50.60. With that, again, we're still looking for action to the upside. Potential continuation of the bullishness. Maybe try to go for that $3,224 mark again. 1 hour chart. Look, we had the bullish divergence hidden. We managed to hold on to it. Then we pumped more, just like Bitcoin, right? Like Bitcoin. Everyone's following the Bitcoin. It is the candy, man. Bitcoin has the candy, and everyone wants some of that candy, right? That's what it looks like. Everyone's following Bitcoin, right? Bearish divergence, strong potential for action to downside. Started to drop, right? Breaking below the 20, breaking below 3,324 right now. Trying to climb back up a bit. Now here, the advantage is that we are still higher than the previous low here. And guess what? We're still creating bullish divergence. And we also have it here against the RSI. So hitting bullish, that's what's getting us to rally a bit. And it looks as though we're recovering a little bit better. Particularly in Bitcoin. Right now, 0.82% to the upside. In Ethereum, Bitcoin's just 0.15, 0.17% to the upside. So it looks as though Ethereum is really trying to recover a little bit better. And again, we could see that we're really trying to get that bounce. Again, aiming for the 20 moving average at 3,304 would be a very, very nice target for Ethereum. Getting above that target, we're looking at 3,324. Right? Yeah. So 3,304 for 20, and then 3,324 for the resistance, right? Let's go check out HNT. HNT pumping 0.59 again, struggling right now on the daily again, pushing back down just like Bitcoin, the rest again, bearish engulfing the previous candle without going to a 20. This sucks. This here looks like a bear trap. Sorry, bull trap. Hooking, and then we're looking for that moving down. Hopefully we're not going to get that. We're still trying to hold support at the 1618, which is fine. That's around $32 and a cent. Right now sitting at $32.49. We should be aiming for a 20 moving average at 36.71. Nothing else happening. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, man, low, higher low, negative momentum. Are we doing more negative momentum? I'm really going to have some in here, guys. Let's go here to the 4 hour. And some in here. 0.02, 0.021, 0.020, right? So up till now, we are baking. We are baking we are making stuff. We're going a little bit higher. I'm just going to exaggerate it a bit right now so we know we have this hidden divergence coming into play. It's not yet materialized, but it's certainly there for now. With that, we could be looking for some action to the upside, maybe to a 20 moving average at $33.18. Neutral at 42.44. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, man. On the 1 hour, look at this, the bearishness. Where is the bearishness at? We had some bearish here, we negated it, and now we're dropping more. Why are we dropping, man? Are we dropping on something? Are we dropping because Bitcoin just came by and ruined our parade? I think we do have bearish divergence. 1524, and here is 1485. So coming from a high point to a lower point, even though it's slightly lower, it's still lower nonetheless. And with this, we have bearish divergence, strong potential friction downside. If you just want to say this is sideways motion, then we have weak bearish divergence. It is still bearish and it's still most the downside. So we're breaking down. Oh no, we broke the 20. Oh no, we're failing. This rally's over. Yeah, everyone pack bags, go home. Rally's over. I'm kidding. We have bullish divergence here, strong potential action to the upside. We might move up to that 20 moving average at $33.35. That's it for HNT. Let's go check out. What are we gonna check out? Oh wow, RSR is really hurting. 2.6 cents. Wow, it sucks. Let's go check out ADA. So corn not looking good. Yes, Elon, corn is not looking good. Let's finish here. Cardano on the daily. Oh, look, bullish divergence popping. All right, bearish coming back down, but we're not bearish off in the previous candle. It's holding up better than the rest of the coins, but a rejection of the 20, not good. Also rejection, $1.34. Like we said, we could target right and hit, so we hit it. Now we're rejecting. Oh no! Guess what? We're still managing to hold support here at this support at $1.21. So that's $1.21 right now. So yeah, $1.24. We're bouncing a bit, not bad. Nothing else bearish happening. Last thing we have is bullish, so we're still expecting to see continuation to the upside. At least for now, neutral at 46.20. Let's go to that 4 hour, man. Look at this. We pumped higher. We got rid of the divergence. Remember we said we could? There we go. So no longer do we have bearish divergence. We are pumping higher. Remember what I said? Breaking this blue line gets us to go short-term bullish. Look at that. Short-term bullish. So we met the target. Great. We talked about this, guys. Remember? Coming back down, hitting the 20 moving average, finding support. Looks as though we were going to go for a bounce. About to bullish off the previous candle, which is again good. And potential continuation to the upside. Neutral at 53.15. Still have bullish divergence in play. Nothing bearish coming in. Let's go the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour, we're looking at bearish divergence here. Dropped a bit. Popped even more. And on this secondary pop here, I'm going to concentrate just on this move for now. And when I go into the actual MACD, I'm going to check to see if this one's even higher. So here, 0.006, 0.006. So from here to here, we're moving sideways, right? Then from here to here, we're moving down. So we are creating weak divergence, right? So we had divergence to here, dropped, and then we have divergence to here, sideways a bit. Now, strong bearish. Potential fraction downside starting to break down. Breaking below 20, struggling, rejection of the 20. Now we're below and trying to reclaim it. The only good thing that might come from this is that we are probably creating some hidden bullish. And with that, again, continuation to the upside, maybe for that 20 moving average at $1.26. That is the current target for ADA, right? Current target for ADA, $1.26. On that note, if we do get above that target, we're going to be aiming for $1.34. Coming back down, we're looking for support at $1.21 and breaking below there. Maybe some support around this zone at $1.10, right? So those will be the things that are going on here. Let's go check something. Hey, bro, how's it going, man? So what's the monthly average currently? Bearish or bullish? What do you mean the monthly average? Sure, what do you mean by the monthly average? The last couple months? They're bearish, man. We've just been dropping. If you're talking about just Bitcoin average, Bitcoin weekly. You said monthly, sorry. Monthly. Bitcoin on the monthly. Look at that. Oh, we're red. November. December. January. Oh no, we've lost the gains from October. Look at that. That kind of sucks, right? October, we're at this level. So we did gain in October, and then 2-3 months, we've just undone those gains. Just not good. Don't look good. Don't sit good with me. That don't sit good with me, man. Let's go back to the daily. What do you think the broader market is headed? What do you think in general, crypto market or what? For a second there, I thought you said Where do you think the border market is headed? I was like, dude, I don't know where the border market is. Do they have a border market? Is it like a flea market that's up in the border? Not sure. Let me know. Anyways, please explain which other market. Crypto market? Look, you think we'll repeat the downfall from thousands? Yeah, we could. Right, I'm not gonna rule it out. We could very well go back and do one of these things. Right? Look, spike. Right? Look at this area here. I'm gonna try to draw it here. Right? It might be too small on your screens. I need to hide the Bollinger Bands. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring it up to log scale and see if I can make this look a little bit better. Yeah. All right. So we don't have it here. Was it here that we're looking at this? Where were we looking at this, man? Now I've lost my chart. Oh no. This sucks. I lost the chart I was looking at. Oh no. Oh, let's get a log scale. Was it this one that I was looking at? Wasn't this one? So I drew something, so I gotta find the one I had out now. I think it might have been this one. Nope. Jesus, chart is super loaded. Anyways, we're gonna go with this one. Anyways, spike here, right? Spike here, then second rally. Then we have this rally coming on here. Now we're getting our drop, right, with a small bump here, right? Remember this small bump here happening on this here area, right? This W shape forming here, right? Similar to what we're getting here, right? Right, the W shape here, going higher now, starting to drop. So it looks as though we're gonna repeat this, or maybe around this area, right? Somewhere around here. Yeah, it looks as though we could be going for a repeat of that. Hopefully it's not going to be the case, right? We do have a lot of bearish stuff in play, remember, right? So if we go here on the weekly, and when do we had this? What was this chart? I'm trying to remember. All right, so we have this head and shoulders, and if we go with the wicks like we drew last time, we are trying to hold. If we go with the bodies, we know we're broken below. So if we go with the bodies, the interesting thing here is I'm going to draw it also just so we have both scenarios, right? And going with the bodies, we're going with this. And if this is the case, we're broken. We're not going and reclaim this area. Here we are rejecting a fib retracement. We are rejecting that 236 fib retracement, right? On a larger scale, we are rejecting this also this 236. So we have some fibception happening here. We have fibs upon fibs that are basically confirming areas of resistance, and we are getting a rejection of that zone. Medium term, Bitcoin, everything follows. Yeah, dude. Yeah, I think we're gonna float sideways a bit. So fall to 37K. People said same when we reached 46K a couple months back, saying we would fall to 1720. Look, I'm not ruling out moving down. We do have support around 38,000 here. On this here chart, we also have support at 37,300 and 37,393, right? So could we go there? Could we come down here? Yeah, dude, not ruling it out. It is a possible move. Now, what do I think the market's going to go? I think it's going to depend on how we hold support here, right? I mean, it is on the next couple steps on a movement down, right? Sorry, I'm trying to get this to let me move the way I want to. Here we go. There will be steps on a moving down. It's not going to be flash, I think. It's not going to be a flash crash. So if we move down still, right, even to this level, 40,000, what's going to happen here? We're still going to come lower, right? And we're going to create some bullish divergence even here. So more strong bullish divergence, potentially even against the RSI, and that could get us to where we try to rally again. If this fails, if this potential moving down and rally fails, yes, we could be looking for 39,000 and then see what happens once we get here. If we do break 39, 37. Now, what do I think for the midterm? I think the midterm's a bit scared, right? What do I say that? The market just went through a movement down, right? A large movement down here, 5%. But overall, probably looking at around 10% since January. So the month is not starting on the right foot. The market is not feeling good. and it has not been feeling good since November when we started our downtrend. Now we do have to break this downtrend eventually, and once we break this downtrend, I think we could be talking about maybe setting up for something better. But for now, I'm gonna look for trends that are downsloping here also, and see if we can position a better downtrend, right? Let's see if I go with those 2 points here. I'll explain to you what I'm anchoring right now. All right, so there's a couple things that could give support, right? On the larger trend, we are still, believe it or not, in what is an upsloping channel, right? Look at this equidistant rising channel. We're still in this lower quartile because they're by 25%, right? So 0, 25, 50, 75, 100%. That's the way I have these ones divided. So with this, we're looking to be still above this yellow line that trails here, right? So we're still on this 0 to 25 quartile, so we could try to hold support there, right? And right now, that support will be around 39,000, right? So again, we do know we have support around that area. It could help us hold. Now, the other thing I just drew here, this down sloping channel, I'm anchoring at this point and this point here for reasons of, just quick drawing of channel. And as you can tell, we rejected here, and we're very close to rejecting here as well. So if we look at a macro, I had a downsloping channel here, a shorter downsloping channel that we broke to the upside. And if we extend this the way it was, which I think was something like this, we are hitting this outer limit, and we are rejecting coming back into the channel, right? So this smaller channel. If I go to a larger channel beginning at the beginning of the downtrend, which is back here on November the 10th, I think, or November 9th, we are still on the downsloping channel that we have not broken out of. Now, could this channel give us problems? Yes. We're still on downtrend. If this is the channel that we're in, whenever we break, depending on when we break, right? We could be looking at, maybe here, $50,000 on a bounce to a measure move, try to get above that 25% quartile. And that is if we do go all the way down here to January 26th and then break there. Now, remember, we could still break all the way down here in that bottom portion right now. Today, where we're at, we'll be targeting around 34,900. That is if we go to the bottom of the channel, right? So do I like this? No. Where's the trend going to go? Well, if you want to believe that we are within this larger downsloping channel, then we're still on downtrend. We're about to hit it, and if we break, yes, we could go to the upside. Otherwise, moving down here, if we're looking at the horizontal supports and resistances, I would say we have to see we're going to hold 40,997 again. If we do hold 40,997, yes, we could be looking for a rally. Otherwise, it could be pain to come, right? Again, market's still feeling a little bit undecided. We've just been having a lot of downwards motion. That's why you hear a lot of people out there feel bearish and scared and know the market's going to drop and the market's going to go down. Yeah, that puts FUD into the market, and with that FOMO and FUD comes the drops, right? Because they become a self-fulfilling prophecy. Everyone says it's going to go down, people get scared, guess what they do? They sell. So, hence the market goes down, right? It's like when, I can't remember, I think Elon came out and said something, and then the market dropped. And people were saying, oh, it dropped because Elon said he was selling Bitcoin or something. And it's like, you know what, dude? I mean, it didn't drop because Elon said it. He could say whatever he wants. The market dropped because people started selling because of what they believe what he said might mean for the market, right? So again, it is similar. If you have a lot of big YouTubers coming out and saying, or big influencers come out and saying, yo, the market's going to go down to 47,000. It's going to go, 37,000. Or the market's going to drop to 20,000. What do you think it's going to do? They have a viewership. If thousands of people watch that person is going to go down. People are going to get scared. They might believe the market's going to go down. They're going to start selling. Therefore, the market does drop, right? Again, they do have an impact on the market on what they say. So, technicals at least say that we should still be looking for bounce. There's nothing bearish in play. And we still have this bullish divergence. Like I said, we could still drop and create more bullish divergence. That is what I would be expecting to see here. Again, guys, if you enjoy the content, make sure you hit the like, you hit the bell, you hit the sub. All right, let's do keep short button copies. Yeah. Lengthening diminishing cycles. Yes. Lengthening diminishing cycles. Yeah. Diminishing cycles. I do believe that's what we're seeing right now. ADA. Did we do ADA? Yeah, we already did ADA. Could you check SHIB? Yeah, why not? SHIB 0.4029. I know. Look, SHIB was recovering so good. It was doing so good. It was on its path to recovery because SHIB was a raging alchemist. That's what I'm gonna call it. It's a raging alchemist, and it kind of dropped. Look, we had hidden divergence dropped on that. Oh no, look at that. Now we have bullish divergence strong, trying to rally on that. Very, very nice. We should be aiming for this 618 here at 0.40 and then 3430. So 3,430. Neutral at 44.09. Let's go to that 4 hour. On the 4 hour again, we dropped more created bullish divergence strong against. I'm just gonna draw this one against the RSI. Reason for, I don't want to go hunt against the MACD, but let's just read it real quick. 8, 6, all right. Negative 8 point, a lot of 0 and then 8. Lower than 6, bullish divergence, strong action to the upside, got the pop. Now we don't have anything bearish. We could just be feeling market motion. Slight bearishness here on this last bit, sorry. And if we do look at this, this could be harder than we start to break down, although it's very, very small. I will not be putting a lot of weight on that one. I do believe there's something more maybe on the 1 hour that could be into play. And that is what could be getting us to drop more, right? So let's go to that 1 hour chart here and shit. Hey, Microsench, what's up, dude? Pro, yeah, we can check out Pro. All right, bullish popping. Right, look, we're coming up here higher. I know. Remember what I told you the 1 hour is going to be better for this? Bearish divergence strong. The bearish divergence is strong with this one. It is going to drop. Oh no, look at this SHIB. Yeah, looks like SHIB just hit the fan. SHIB coin dropping. SHIB, you know, right, going down. Oh no. Low to high, negative, more negative, hidden bullish divergence starting to come in here. And with that, again, potential for sideways motion, maybe action to outside. So we're starting to move sideways. Let's bring you in here. The trolling your bands, 20 moving trolling your bands says we're below 20, and we should be aiming for 3,064. That is the target for SHIB. Let's go to Crow. That is if we do continue to the upside, sorry, right? Bitcoin crashing or something like that could certainly make SHIB drop even more. So just watch out for that. Right, so bear. Oh no, we popped. Oh my goodness, look at this. Low, lower, low, negative plus, negative. Oh, look at that. Strong bullish divergence. What a surprise. Everyone else in the market had this. It is a beautiful surprise. Look at it. It's a beautiful. There we go. Neutral. Sorry, sold at 39.54. Again, potential action to the upside. We popped. It hit retracement, 50% retrace. Now it's starting to reject. Oh my goodness, where are we going to go? Well, target would be the 618 at 39, but we have not gone down that low, so we could aim for another recovery to still come in. Maybe retest that 50% retrace at 48.41. Let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour chart. The 4 hour chart, it hurts. It hurts. Look at this. The 4 hour. Ooh. Negative to positive. Look at this. Bullish divergence strong. Pop. All right. So we got higher. We're not coming. We're creating hidden bearish here. And with the hidden divergence, potential for action to downside says. There we go. Bearish. Hidden. Starting to drop. Breaking below 20. Where are we going to go? Well, right now we don't have anything bullish going on here right now. We're starting to create negative momentum finally. So we got to see where we're at and then see if we can create some hidden bullish. And with that, see if we can go for a rally, maybe retest that 20, but you know, we're probably going to follow the rest of the market for Pro at least for now. Yo, man, what's up, dude? Let's go in here. High to low, high to low, and high to low. No, nothing bearish here. No. Low, lower, low, more negative momentum, lower still. Sold at 37.15. Nothing on the 1 hour, right? At least nothing that is short-term visible. Low to high negative momentum, less negative momentum, right? Sorry, low on their side, higher point on their side. There's really not a lot going on here that really tells us where the market's going to go for Pro. 4 hour again, like I said, bearish hidden. It is dropping us down, but last thing we had was this bullish. Could try to get us to rally still, and then on the daily, last thing we have is a strong bullish, which again, gonna try to get us to rally. That's what I'm seeing for SHIB. Someone said silica. Why not check out the silk? Silicates. All right, on Siliqua. We popped yesterday. Very nice pop. Where do we go? 7.38 right now. Rejected at 6.5%. Sorry, 6.5 cent mark. And with that, we should be looking still for maybe another drop to come in. I'm not sure. We're dropping rejection, so we want to make another go at 6.5 cents. Nothing bearish in, nothing bullish in. Neutral at 45.40. Let's go to the 4-hour. Bullish divergence popping, right? Nothing bearish here. Coming up higher, higher, and higher still. This just fell in the rest of the market. Went to the 20. Trying to recover, like we said. Neutral at 54.65. Reason it could still run is because we have this bullish divergence here, right? Nothing bearish coming in. That's why we have this bullish, so we could still be looking for continuation to the upside. Here on the 1-hour. Look at this. Bearish divergence strong. Oh no. We found the culprit, sir. Here is a bearish divergence. I turned down. So I don't know. Look, it drops. So now we've dropped. We're going to go for that 20 moving average again right now, hitting it and rejecting it briefly. That is at 6.54, right? 6.54 cents. Coming down lower with more negative momentum and lower on the other side. Nothing here that we could go for, say, bullish. Neutral at 50.01. So we dropped because of bearish divergence. Oh no, look at that. Let's go back to the Bitcoin. Oh, look, it's trying to push on the green. Not bad considering where we started, right? Guys, if you enjoyed the content, make sure you hit the like, the bell, and the sub, right? Join us on Discord. Links have gone out. There we go. Sorry, guys. So, 1. Then there was 1. Three-day weekend. For me, it's going to be a regular weekend. Oh, wow. Look at that. 1 at 6.22. Pumping right now. Sorry, this is OMG. Why am I looking at OMG? This is 1. Right now, gaining 5.62% to the upside. Oh, my goodness. Look at this. Bearish divergence strong. Again, pumping higher. Still coming down lower. Again, we had it here. Put pressure. Went for that 20 popped. Created bearish divergence, right? Just against the MACD, not against the RSI. Bought at 69.39. About to go overbought. And strong bearish. So what is that going to do? It's going to put pressure on the price. Maybe try to get us to break back down again. And if we do break back down, we're looking for 28.78. Otherwise, we do want to keep on going. We got to get above this previous high here, which is at 0.01 here on the MACD. 0.0106. And here we're looking that we're sitting at 0.006. So we still got to pump quite a bit for us to get above this previous high on the MACD and negate the divergence. So otherwise, we're still going to be carrying on with it. And that could keep on putting pressure on the price until it makes us break back down. Here on the 4-hour, we're looking for some bearish divergence. We no longer have it where we were looking for it, right? But we have it here in the shorter term move. I know. Look, it's a bitsy spider move. Or we just switch what we have. Boy, I don't have to draw again. So what are we doing here? Man, on the itsy spider, we're creating bearish divergence strong without the possibility for actual downside. If we do drop, we're going for a 20 moving average at 32.09 cents. Let's go to the 1-hour chart, man. The bear doom boys of doom. Of doom to doom doom to doom doom doom. 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 There we go. bearish divergence. Oh, strong potential function down. So we did go down here, already hit very close to the 20 moving average. 35.39 right now, the 20 at 35.45 cents. We're sitting at 36.72. If we fail to get above this previous high, man, that divergence is still going to come into play. If we get higher than this previous high, wow, guess what? Re-anchoring, we still have that strong bearish divergence that it will be coming into play. So again, there's bearish divergence. We just got to wait for it to go somewhere. So, guys, what's up? What else are we going to look at? That's it. Guys, it's been a long day. It's been a long day, man. It's been a lot of stuff going on for work, so. I got a presentation again tomorrow, so I'm going to have to log in here soon, guys. Log out, sorry, here soon. This has been presentation today, presentation tomorrow. I guess still got to work on some stuff. So, join us on Discord. Links have gone out, right? We do have an active community, and it will be pretty awesome if you guys joined us there. I'll be grateful, and I'll be grateful if you hit the like button and stuff here on this channel, right? So, the chat. Not that. Sorry, guys, I messed up here. There we go. I want to hit something else. Remember, talk about crypto with your friends, your family, your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is So Crypto. I am your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on an awesome Thursday night. Remember, all the information that we're providing here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. On that note, catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Ciao. What do you do? I do business development right now. I used to be a trader before doing business development. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Keeping it short today. Until then.